welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some super cool slime. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make it at home step by step, and the theme we're going to be going for is a coffee slash latte little Starbucks slime. We're going to add a bunch of little add-ins and details. If you guys are excited for this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let's just get started into the materials you'll be needing for today. You'll need a bowl, a mixing utensil, some glue, activator, this is borax with water, food color or paint, shaving cream, and finally any types of add-ins you guys want to add at the end when we finish making the slime. So I just have these fake ice cubes I made out of tape and all these cute little coffee chimes that are gonna look so adorable on top of the slime. Now that we have all of the ingredients in, we're going to start mixing with the spoon, and that already looks super cool, guys, and that is what we want, like a cute little swirl at the end, but we're just gonna have to mix it all in. It kind of looks like chocolate cake batter right now. Once it's all mixed in, we're going to grab our activator and pour it in really slowly so it doesn't get too over activated, and then we're just gonna start stirring it until it forms some slime. Okay, so once the slime looks a little something like this, it's pretty much done, and all you have to do is go in with your hands and try to knead it a little more just so it doesn't stick a lot. Okay guys, so I put our brown base slime into this container, and now we're gonna get our bowl again and make a second batch. This slime is going to be a little smaller and a little lighter, so when we put it all together, it'll make a super cool swirl. Guys, so once we finally have all of our slimes made, now we get to mix them to get this super adorable swirly design. So I'm just gonna take this slightly lighter brown slime right here, and we're just going to add it in here. Actually, we're gonna take this one out and we're just gonna place it right there, and we're just gonna mix it. And we're gonna take this white slime as well. OMG guys, it ripped, no. So now we're just gonna mix it in slowly. And we don't wanna mix it in too much or else it'll like go away. But now I'm just gonna place it in here, and now I'm gonna take the shaving cream again and make like a little whipped cream thing. OMG guys, we need to shake it. Okay guys, look how good that looks. Now we're going to add all of the little charms. So first I'm gonna add this little coffee cup, this cute little frappuccino, maybe like right here, this little hot chocolate right there. Guys, I found a mini donut. My fingers are so messy, guys. I'm just gonna put it back here, and let's add the little ice cubes like in here. And OMG guys, look how cute this slime looks. Then I just mixed in the whipped cream into the slime, and it made it so much fluffier. my goodness, guys, look how big the slime got. It looks like a big chocolate slime and I love it so much. It's so fluffy and I'm just gonna like put it back into the container. My hands are filled with shaving cream. I also made this little label for the container just so it will have the name of the slime. It's called Latte Swirl and I love this slime, you guys. It's so stretchy and so fluffy. All of the charms are so cute and I had a lot of fun making this slime.
And it goes a little something like
Quick pause, here are the shoutouts for this week's video. Congratulations to all of the winners. If you want to be featured in the next video, make sure to check out the description box for further details. And the fan art, here's this week's winner. Congratulations to you. And if you want to be featured in next week's fan art video segment, all you have to do is tag me in a video on TikTok or YouTube. If you guys want this to be a whole slime series of me trying to make the cutest slimes ever, comment down below what I should do next. I was thinking like a pink candy slime or like a fruit slime or anything like that. Comment down below your ideas because I had a lot of fun making this slime and I definitely want to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys tried to make this latte swirl slime at home. Bye!
Missing someone.